Today, the state's top doctor says the current COVID surge is on track to put more Texans in hospitals than any previous surge. KXAN's Maggie Glenn explores how the state is sending medical personnel where they're needed and what preventative strategies Democrats are now calling for.
We are fulfilling those requests as fast as we can.
The state has funded 8,100 extra healthcare staff to handle the current surge, but DSHS only deployed half of that so far. It adds up to only a third of what regions across the state have requested.
We want to be as fair and equitable across the state as we can. So unfortunately, that means that we're not really able to completely fulfill every request.
That's why the state health department is still depending on Texans to curb the spread. And the governor still vows not to allow any more mask or vaccine mandates.
The governor is very aware of the science. The governor is very aware of the actions that people can take. He has set a policy, though, where he wants people to understand them and to adopt them as a matter of personal responsibility.
I would love it if everyone always did the right thing and we didn't need police forces, we didn't need any kind of emergency response because everybody was doing the right thing all the time. But we know that that's not the case.
Senator Sarah Eckhart filed bills this session that take a more preventative approach.
We would add the COVID-19 vaccine to the list of K through 12 required vaccines for the coming school year.
While the state continues promoting the vaccine and masking up, its top doctor says there's a lot to weigh.
Science can advise, but it's not really the role of science to decide. Because in the end, it is about balancing, suppressing the disease with enabling people to put food on the table.
Maggie Glenn, KXAN News.
DSHS says it is working to deploy the full 8,100 extra staff by the end of next week. But more staff arrives every day, and it usually takes traveling medical personnel 2 to 3 days once they arrive to get fully trained.